Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on any device. So let's get started. First of all, open Play Store. Now, click on Profile icon at the top right corner. From here, click on Settings. Now, here you can see Family option. Click on it. Here you can see Parental Control at the third option. Click on it. Tap on this toggle. Now it will ask you to set password. Type your PIN and click OK. Now again, type the same PIN for confirmation. Then click OK. Now, under this, you can see two options. First of all, click on Apps and Games. Here, which box you tick, it means your child can see content up to that age. Like I click on 16+. It means Google will restrict content to 16+. Now go back. Second option is Books. Click on it. Check this box says Restrict Sexually Explicit Books. Then click Save. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.